Have you ever stood in line for coffee or sat at a red light and immediately felt an itch to pull out your phone? 20 years ago, we would have just looked around, let our minds drift, or stared at the wall. The question is, what did we actually lose when boredom disappeared? For most of human history, boredom was just a normal part of life. Our ancestors spent hours, sometimes days, in quiet, repetitive tasks. It turns out those moments were essential. Modern neuroscience shows that when we aren't focused on a specific task, our brain shifts into what's called the default mode network. This state isn't just doing nothing. It is a highly active, complex neurological process where your brain is busy organizing memories, reflecting on experiences, and making connections that fuel creativity. But today, we've effectively erased that downtime. The second we feel that familiar lull, we unlock our screens and start scrolling. We've conditioned ourselves to treat boredom like an emergency, something to be fixed with instant, bite-sized stimulation before our brain can even initiate the default mode network. The irony is that boredom is the birthplace of our best ideas. When you strip away the digital noise, you force the brain to stop consuming and start creating. You're giving your cognitive machinery the space it needs to manufacture solutions you wouldn't find while you're distracted by an endless feed. Think back to your childhood. Many of your best memories, those moments of weird, imaginative play, didn't happen because you were watching a screen. They happened because you were bored. That restlessness wasn't a problem. It was the starting point of your curiosity. So here's a small challenge. The next time you're waiting in line or sitting on a bus, resist the urge to reach for your phone. Give your brain 5 minutes of absolutely nothing. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but beneath that discomfort is something we've almost forgotten how to experience, a mind that's free to wander. And perhaps boredom was never something we were meant to escape. Maybe it was the space where our best ideas were quietly waiting to be found.